Think about the keto diet. What comes to mind? Is it a fad, a trend, or a lifestyle change? Today we're going to break it down, simplifying it to its very core. The ketogenic diet, or keto diet as it's more commonly known, is a low-carb, high-fat diet. Its primary aim is to switch your body into a state known as ketosis. This is where your body, instead of burning glucose for energy, turns to fat. So how do we get there? Step 1 is to significantly slash your carbohydrate intake. In the keto world, carbs should only make up around 5 to 10% of your daily calories. This translates to keeping your daily carb intake to around 20 to 50 grams of net carbs. But what do we do about the missing carbs? That's where fat steps in. The keto diet encourages a high-fat intake, making up approximately 70 to 75% of your daily calories. So instead of reaching for those carb-heavy snacks, you'll be snacking on avocados, nuts and seeds, cooking with olive oil, and opting for fattier cuts of meat. Protein plays its part too, but it's a balancing act. It should make up about 20 to 25% of your daily calories. While protein is vital for overall health and maintaining muscle, too much can interfere with ketosis as it can be converted into glucose. The ultimate goal? To bring your body into a state of ketosis where your body is powered by ketones produced when your liver breaks down fats. This state provides a steady source of energy and helps burn stored body fat. Food-wise, focus on the good fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish, and incorporate non-starchy vegetables. Opt for lean sources of protein like poultry, fish, and grass-fed meats, and enjoy dairy products like cheese and full-fat yogurt, but remember, everything in moderation. On the other hand, foods high in carbohydrates should be limited or avoided. This includes grains like bread, rice, pasta, starchy vegetables like potatoes, sugary foods, and most fruits. Also, be wary of processed foods as they often contain hidden sugars and carbs. Hydration is key in the keto diet. Drinking plenty of water helps to flush out ketones and supports overall health. Planning your meals is a great way to ensure you're meeting your macronutrient goals and avoiding hidden carbs. Home-cooked meals give you better control over your carb and fat intake. When first starting the keto diet, you might experience the keto flu, which can cause fatigue, headaches, and irritability. These symptoms usually subside within a week or two as your body adapts to using ketones for energy. Some people choose to monitor their ketone levels using urine strips or blood ketone meters to confirm they are in ketosis. However, if you stick to the macronutrient ratios mentioned, you're likely on the right track. So the ketogenic diet, far from being just a trend, is a lifestyle change based on a solid understanding of how our bodies work. It's about making conscious choices about what we eat, listening to our bodies, and making adjustments along the way.